Merry Christmas.
Look like Santa. Oh yeah, these are the best, I'm pretty sure. First time I've woken up to a white Christmas in a long time. It's Christmas Eve. We are heading home. We got the cat right here in the middle. She's just chilling. And it's currently 63 degrees. Back when we started it was like 70, so it's weird. And then we're going to West Virginia where it's supposed to actually snow tonight. So I think we're gonna have a white Christmas.
I hope so.
But hopefully we'll get there and it's not too sketchy of a drive. But yeah, here we go. You wanna come out, baby? Come on, honey. Okay.
Oh yeah.
I'll take you 2 seconds then.
She gone.
She's done that. She like that.
Nope, nope. She's back inside. She caught out and was like, nope.
I'll put her back in.
Don't forget about
I won't.
Have a penny sickle.
Penny. Penny. Look at these little penny tracks. She refuses to walk on the grass. Look.
I know.
It's December 25th, 2020, and we woke up to a white Christmas. This is the first time I've woken up to a white Christmas in a long time.
It's been a hot
So
minute.
it's kind of special. We got Penny here. She doesn't look so white in the snow, does she?
No, she looks kind of like a brown white. Benny. What is this beautiful?
Do you want to go sledding?
Let's do it. Use that hill right there. Perfect sledding hill.
Penny, hi. Walk right past me.
Her little tracks. She doesn't pick up her feet. It's
Yeah, she walks like me. Come on, muscles.
one.
Man, Dad made this a work shed. There should be... These are quite good. Is that the black one? Oh yeah, these are the best, I'm pretty sure. Look at all the snow. I love this, honestly. We made a ramp out of Dad's car ramp once. Yeah. And then we like buried it in snow. We could try that again.
Alright, ready?
Are you ready? Don't hit that tree down there. What happened?
Good turn.
You just gotta go with it. I got sprayed. Okay. So I go on my belly.
Do it. You have to sit further back. You're gonna hit your Gene in the video. Whoa.
It sprays you in the face.
Yeah, that's why you have to sit further back. You got right up at the front.
Oh, we've already done it like 3 times. I'm like tired now. You know how you always get tired, like
Immediately.
yeah, you do it.
Being in the front is awful.
Yeah, I saw a lot of snow getting kicked up.
Yeah.
Your
It
beard
like went straight to my face, like right in my eye.
Your beard was like full.
Oh my gosh, your beard.
Merry Christmas.
Look like Santa.
Santa Claus here. Reporting from
Come on
West
now.
Virginia.
Maybe your beard will be like that. And he's gone. Look at his arms. Hey! Oh, I've been making y'all some toilet paper fire starters.
Oh,
I
really?
forgot to bring them home.
Are you in radio? We're so quick.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
But these are for mom and dad.
At least
I
I
just
can
picked
get
them
them.
out.
Yes.
Don't say what's that.
Thank you.
Actually, it's
It's
like a
No.
Huh?
Oh, really?
large.
yeah.
For
So that-
underneath?
no, you can wear it's just like Alex's, like this.
Ooh.
You see how it's the wall?
Yeah.
Good little Henley.
I like that.
Say hello.
They love them.
Christmas bone. Oh, get out of here, Rosie.
Some men's warehouse jeans.
They're over there. Look over there.
Ooh.
What'd you get?
Those are from Men's
Jeans,
Warehouse.
yeah.
So I have
Thank you.
Yes. Always
Like
need a good
those.
pair of
to
jeans.
Randy.
I'm in my fancy jeans.
Oh yeah. Here, this is to
Say hello.
Tyler. This is to Rachel. Rachel, you might want to open that
Okay,
there.
I'll open that. What'd you get, Dad? Do you want to be our
I'll film.
video
Oh,
guy?
here's Alex.
What you got?
That ready to fall down.
Sure.
This me.
Here. Hey, Alec.
Put that there for now.
Alec.
I can film you.
Should I just hold it for 2 seconds?
We're so bad at this.
Huh?
There's
Nothing. I'm just. Say hello, Papa. What are you doing?
Throwing it over.
Oh,
Rachel.
These are kind of weird.
oh Rosie.
Oh.
Like,
Yeah,
I don't know,
yeah,
they're
grab it,
40,
buddy.
some of them are way
Look
too
at
big
that.
and some of them are way too
I
small.
know.
Rachel,
Huh?
what's your unwrapping? Let me put it right here.
Rosie. What are you doing?
Here, Alec. You like that stuff, huh?
He loves that.
She loves
Rosie.
Thank you.
What is it?
I thought it smelled good.
Ooh, Versace.
We were just talking about this before we came. We were like, don't leave me to go pick out cologne on my own.
Man,
Ooh.
that was like as big
I want to
as
smell it.
Smell it. I guess it
Oh,
is.
here, Rachel.
Ooh, that smells good. Oh, okay. Your turn.
Rachel on me.
Yeah,
When did you get that camera?
I got it like last week.
Huh?
I got it like last week.
Did it? That's not. What all that do? It don't develop them out, does it?
No, it's like a digital camera.
Huh?
It's like a digital camera.
Oh.
It's good for like filming videos.
What's up?
What's been in it?
You have to zoom in on it.
I know what to say.
That's your big one.
My vitamins. Yay!
That's for me and Mama. And Papa.
Ooh, man, we about to have smoothies.
That's a good one.
Oh, yeah.
It'll cut up the ice and everything.
Ooh, baby. I love it. Thank you. Making my
We're
mom.
gonna have to get rid of some of your coffee mugs to store that.
Man, I ain't gonna run out this time.
Yeah, you know, that's what Diane used to get you.
Huh?
That's what Diane used to get you.
Yeah, that wasn't that the other one got it. What you
Gary.
something in
Yeah,
it?
yeah, but that is too.
Camera.
Yeah.
We just got you an extra.
You know what? This is the best shaving cream I ever used in all.
Yeah, I thought you couldn't remember what we bought.
Vitamins. I love it. Ooh, looking sharp.
You got the mob boss.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at you, brother.
Trench coat.
Feels good, Rosie. I know. So,
What'd you get, Papa?
I got a fancy knife that can cut them for you.
Randy.
Made in China.
Travel. It's a sleep machine.
Oh,
So we can replace the other one.
What goes in this?
Yes.
A sound
is this the
machine.
case?
Anyway, here's one for Rachel and Tyler.
yoga sleep.
Here, Rachel, so y'all can travel with a sleep machine. Or
Thank
use it
you.
at home, whatever you want.
Thank you.
And then here's some
Ooh,
toys.
we might have to use this in New Hampshire.
Sam, I got you all travel.
In Texas.
Texas?
Yeah.
Oh, do you like that, Dad?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that.
They didn't have China on it.
Ooh, that's gonna be warm.
Is that the best?
Yeah.
Because you have. Wow.
Ooh, I like that. Where'd you get that?
Someplace in Texas.
Ooh, nice.
I'm talking about New York.
Isn't that pretty?
You know, they smell
Still in business class.
Yeah.
And,
What are you smelling,
did you
man?
get the shirt? Yeah.
Like Johnny Cash.
That's okay, you look good.
She got me a black Johnny Cash shirt.
All you need's a horse.
Huh?
You can ride Rosie.
I watched the Lone Ranger in real life, just about.
Yeah, this is Dad.
You fight me for it.
I'll wear this with my new jacket.
Isn't that pretty, Mom?
You see that?
It's a mess.
busted ya. I busted ya.
She's not very sneaky.
I got the good video of Rachel too trying to ask me this question.
I was like, which one's your favorite?
What'd you get? It was.
A football jersey.
Thank you. Tyler,
What
which
is
one?
that? Oh, it's the.
So Rachel was like, so if you had to pick one down the Steelers, who would you gotta be? And I'm like, I don't know, they're all pretty cool. She's like, yeah, but if you wanted a jersey, who would it be?
Oh, I didn't say that. I was like, what's your favorite?
Jersey. He
man.
went to Jersey.
He got
Hey, who
what?
is 90?
What?
What? He's a defensive
What?
linebacker.
The
That
big,
real good. He's
that
good
big
player.
guy, yeah.
Yes, I do.
He's like a
Yeah,
brick
I
wall.
remember him now.
That's cool.
So who did this one come from?
Mom and Dad.
Thank you. I hope they do good now.
Hey, and two more losses and they'll be out of it.
Took a turn after we
Gonna
got
say
that. And I was like, oh, these are all for Dad. Dad hits jackpot.
man.
Yeah, he
awesome.
always skips a lot of
Heck yeah.
pajamas and stuff like
Oh,
that.
what are you?
Oh, that's pretty.
Ooh, that looks
Sweater.
warm.
Is that for me?
No. Did you open all your stuff, Dad?
Look,
No,
you
this
got a
is
lot
all
more to do.
Over there.
Oh, I didn't know I had his bag.
He was saving it.
Ooh, I like that, Mom.
Isn't that pretty?
I like
Oh,
it.
those ones.
And this is the Irish one?
Yes. This came from Ireland.
That's really cute.
They shipped it from
No.
there.
You'll have to
It's
eat
like
an
$30 now.
Irish biscuit while you wear it.
What is it?
When I go over there, I'll wear it.
Is it spiders?
No, this thing you put it over.
Oh, you're making
That's what I think it is.
What are you doing, Sam?
Doing the dishes.
Doing the dishes?
Why?
I hope
Just
not.
wondering.
Oh, it looks like a shirt.
Lisa, you wrap this package,
Yes.
Oh, it says.
put it in a bag and brought the handles over there.
Oh, it says to Jean from Wanda.
See, but you still wrap it.
Well, that way you got a poke and you can carry it. It makes it easy to carry.
No.
Oh, those I like
Hopefully there was no dish.
Now you're gonna throw all his shirts away.
That's these short or long sleeves?
Long sleeves.
Long sleeve.
They're long sleeves. You can't wear short sleeves now. Yeah.
Well, they got pockets. I don't like a shirt without pockets.
I don't
Mom, do you
either.
want some of the turkey
Dang it.
left here?
Guy told me he's
Yeah,
got
but-
30 shirts in the closet.
Just white me.
And none of them got pockets on them. They're gonna lay right there.
I'd
Not a
take it
whole
for
lot.
Goodwill.
I hate them without a fat pocket in.
Here's another one. This one's your last one.
Hey, Sal.
Explain this landing to me. This guy, did he land too late?
It's my box.
I wonder what she'd do if you balloon, if you pump it up and stick it somewhere where she'd bust it in no time, don't she?
Y'all mind.
What a
Wore
stinker.
out.
Quit making a mess.
Aw, she's a baby.
I've never seen a dog have that much energy.
I mean, Sam, it was like 5,000 pieces. Look at it. Look at the detail. And Alex put every string, every little divot. He attached every one of these, and it's several floors.
Yeah, you can even, if you have a light, you can look in here and see like the rooms. See,
There's
like,
rooms?
See, like in there, you can see the different.
And you can see the staircase, see where it's clear. Where
It has like the smoking room, like 2 levels down was the smoking room, and we were putting that together.
Like you can even see the staircases up front.
Here, let's
in
move
the front of
the
ship.
floss out of the shot.
I got these little cranes.
I think I
that
got
you
these.
have. All right.
Check
The anchors.
Here's the chain that goes down
Oh,
to the
really?
anchors.
I have this.
Wait, does this actually connect it to the
No,
anchor?
this loop's underneath and the anchors stick
I
out to the
see.
side.
Wow.
Look at like the propellers and everything in the back. Super nice.
Do you like it?
This is amazing.
Isn't that amazing, Sam?
This is amazing. I can't believe you all like.
Penny. You're so cute.
Merry Christmas.
Look like Santa.